Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and are ready to rock the weekend. So today, day 3, last day, boo, of the Alice in Wonderland week. So today we finish with a bang. I am gifting you a lovely freebie. It's a free printable that you can use with the Alice in Wonderland VIP papers if you join the VIP lounge, or you can use them on their own if you don't, and showcasing some fabulous Alice in Wonderland vintage illustration. So keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. I hope you have enjoyed the Alice in Wonderland week. So on Monday we've made these embellishments, and I put all the videos, I've put a link down below with the when we made these super cute envelopes, and this one here with the scallop envelope, and also the milk carton gift box and the Alice pillow box, and also have showed you all the VIP papers with the Alice in Flowerland, as I said, papers. So on Wednesday we've made these mixed medias alter paper, not paper clip, but they're called playing cards if I can speak. Oh, also guys, at some point in this video my dishwasher is gonna beep, and I will need to go back. I need to pause the video, going back downstairs and stop it, because it will keep beep. I think it beeped like 5 times and then it stops. But what we're trying to do when it beeps, we open it so you got all the steam coming out, because I don't know if you guys noticed on the dishwasher that steam make the cutlery and the thingy smell. So we noticed that if you open the dishwasher and the steam comes out, they don't smell. Have you noticed that? Don't know. So yeah, at some point she's gonna beep. My dishwasher is called Dorothy. So Jamie has got a name for all our appliances, because he said to me, well, they are part of the house, and I was like, yes, they are. So the dishwasher is called Dorothy, and the washing machine is called Cynthia. Don't ask me where these names come from, but that's what it is. So when they beep, for example, if we're having dinner and then the washing machine beeps, said, Cynthia, I'm coming, and you hear him shouting, and then he gets up and switch it off. I don't know. It's just the way that we are, I suppose. Bit special. So going back on the desk, Antonio, Wednesday we made these altered playing cards, and then Friday, what Friday is freebie time. So today I am gifting you this page here, and I thought let's design something that can be used with the Alice in Flowerland kit, and also that can be used even if you guys don't have the kit, and that's why I'm gifting you. It's a page with 6 embellishments. Now I thought, when I designed it, they're black and white, so I thought, let me explain the process. So I wanted to create something that you guys can use as they are, black and white, or if you can color it in. Okay, so because they can be colored, and also there can be embellishments, or they can use as a round tags, your choice. So on the kit you get the this page here with the hearts, and this page here, they're also black and white, but then you've got the mirror in there. So let me move this aside. So oops, she's beeping. Did you hear that? I'll be right back. Sorry about that. And then as I was downstairs, I thought, oh, let's make myself a latte. Really nice coffee. I don't know what I said. So yeah, so you get these 6 embellishments. Very quickly video. So guys, as you know, this gets sent out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time to my newsletter. So if you're not joined already, I suggest you joining today. It's totally free. You get 1 email a week. I don't have time, and I'm not sort of that person that spams you return some emails. I send 1 email a week with a freebie and some crafty news, and sometimes there is a discount code. Yeah, I think it's really worth registering. And also, if you want to have my previous freebie, join my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a moment where to find it. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. It means the world to me. Honestly, it really does. I just want to say that special thank you today goes to the lovely Charlotte, and I'll put the comment somewhere on the screen. Charlotte said that she loves my freebie, and she said I'm very talented. Oh well, Charlotte, you are very talented too. She's an amazing crafter. I follow her on Instagram. She hasn't got a YouTube channel, but yeah, Charlotte is fabulous. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed these, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like my freebie, please consider giving this video a huge thumbs up, because you're telling YouTube how fabulous I am and you like my content. I will put a couple of videos here, link on the screen guys, when we did some more Alice in Wonderland project. One was a pocket letters they've done not long ago, and another one was the Alice in Wonderland pop-up card. So again, some few projects to keep you entertained and hope to give you some more ideas. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.